Planning a trip but don't want to miss your workout routine? If you're wondering if you can bring your workout supplements on a plane, I've got you covered. Let's talk about how to pack your protein powder, creatine, and pre-workout for air travel. General TSA rules for workout supplements. According to the TSA, you can bring workout supplements, whether they're pills or powders, in your carry-on and checked baggage. However, there are some things to keep in mind. If you're carrying any pre-workout powder over 12 ounces, TSA will require you to remove it from your bag for separate screening at the security checkpoint. As for pre-workout drinks, they have to follow the TSA 311 liquid rule. So, make sure they're in containers 3.4 ounces or less and placed in a quart-sized bag. Supplements in carry-on baggage. For powders and pills, there's no limit to the amount you can carry in your carry-on bag. Just be ready for the extra screening if you've got a large container. Tip: use small containers or mini funnels to store powder supplements for easy access. If you prefer, you can also pack smaller containers like this mini protein powder funnel for convenience. It's way better than carrying big tubs or using Ziploc bags. Supplements in checked baggage. If you're traveling with large amounts of workout supplements, it might be easier to pack them in your checked baggage. No TSA restrictions apply here, so you won't need to worry about screening. Workout supplements allowed in checked bags. But if you're checking bags, make sure your luggage doesn't exceed your airline's weight limit. Most airlines have a 50 pounds, 23 kilogram limit for checked bags, and heavy supplements could push you over. What travelers say about packing supplements. Many travelers have confirmed that you can bring your supplements like protein powder, creatine, and vitamins in both your carry-on and checked baggage. Just remember, anything over 12 ounces in your carry-on will need to be screened separately. Tips for traveling with creatine powder and other supplements. Here's a quick recap of tips for traveling with workout supplements. Know the TSA rules for powders and liquids. Pack larger containers of powder in checked baggage if possible. Use small containers or travel-sized funnels for easy packing. Avoid Ziploc bags, they can be messy and less practical. In conclusion, you can definitely bring your workout supplements on a plane, just make sure you follow the TSA guidelines for powders and liquids. Don't forget to take them out for screening if they're over 12 ounces. Got more travel questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel tips from Travel Closely.